We see abraso say be hwe na online portal no so nsem de obonkrata no na poso yedi ni nyina e ma wonsem ne de egu adomonline.com okoso amyjoyonline.com ensem ahodo bi gu horoma ubenya na afi wakenkan ye free amanyo nsem e ko obi man so nsem ya ma yimu nsem ye fiefie mu nsem ye kan say human interest stories no afrika no wura mu a we kan sie mu nsem ni nyina ya bone bede e na egu eye adomonline.com de obonkrata ne so aba kwasinsia so ye krado ye nkone ho na afi ye nhwe de nkrata no e de aba kwasi ma chen kwa aba oh yeah nyame adom the first Friday
of February 2024
yeah
let's say almost this year 366 days
because a leap year and the month we be 29 days instead of 28 yes
man for insurance so no say February nananki nim no 3 years ago no was sane ho
na say wo mo aye wo mo 29 February na
this year
be fie be you no munya kwanni wo mo birthday no this year 29 February for wo benya kwanya
and in fact it's always good to be dating people around
that time say on say ono den tamba
enye wo mfom so o so mo de na ya abato sa ebre
to aba munni birthday Timothy say Ghana aba no mfie na
it's good to be being around people yeah wo almost abre
but how do they feel
say
obi adi the birthday like we are in an office
omudi no mutirem
and afibia wo de wo chese we dey na makra o 29th na makra
odi no mutirem
oh wow
them say I don't know me so mo e wo mo sa yen so mo nhyada no so sa o
mo no so won asa ntamba ntamba 29th wow ba afi de se beba afi lipi so
afi de ya
afi beba
o medium birthday na say bia bako de
oh yeah nyankopon adom
na mo se na I think yesu mo ka emission levy
yes
adwe asemo
se no ye hyan hodo no wusie no afiri to oba no
hwe da bia me ka se mo se mo ma ye ntina se asoman so bi nya na dwuma yi a na ye ma ne nkwae se enye masem adu ya ba bedru ha because empenifo bu o DVA la onye wadwuma ye yes eye ewiase nyina asem
okay
banka wo hwem nso emusie pa Africa to wo Ghana hanum no ebi anka nkwae ni mu bebresa but ye empenifo se ye be de beji because emusie Africa to one also check make sure say
car na ATC ye kwaso a road worthy
ye code DVL ekotwa road worthy
yes
how many cars na code DVL ma yes I inspection making sure
oh there be say dey ofre goro boy anu watwa no dey
abel worthy enough see ye begin ho sikampo
kwasi na ala so code DVL
ni ama ne kwan si won tensi
mimi ni car ndi me nko ba wo code DVL
ajo me ko
na sa afi bia okọ
arevo
oh enkrofo nko no anso afre goro boy na say
but oka
watwa brɛ
amanfo ntiase
wo de na wo kan license kura no a ebemma aban no ahu ne se asomasi anaso obenten watwi hyɛn a wadu mpempenso a wase ye ma no card ye da de anse se watwi hyɛn na odi tisi kwan so no kwabra ne tifie onko driving school no afre obi o DVL obi kwati mi frɛ me na na epe driving license obetumi amane bi obi nka nkyerɛ se wo nana no manemra driving school na wonya perfect ye ma no ho krat oh sa your friend say send the birth set ma me na menhwe ne nana obetena fie na wagye driving license no de amane nana enti awudifo nko a ne nam kwan so
ene na wo hwɛ trotro pa ye de fanko
ebi da de atwa wo
ene to da bia na me say di GPR2 fo so ho ya
so mombelo
bibi kakra bia ene ebetum
na so mutum
na a station fenipa it is say be we station master ya otu aka jinjan tantan say esi load na load fenipa de kon we nkura hyehyw as a station master
na say nye station master adwuma so wo check over aged cars eye DVL na wo so ohunu say car we na no car bia na mdi na chi wo fanko barrier ho car ni license na no me se wo chaachechede e na totototototototo na so di car na ayede
kan hu say any 26 years old
thank you
And Sana from that age to
today,
24 years.
Thank you.
So we are talking about almost 60 years.
Yes. And I say no year no manufacture car no. My model no ankasa no so cry e be 7 years ago, 8 years ago. The car no 70 something years. What am kwa so but roadway the bonimu. Insurance bonimu. Into a course wo kocha insurance, of course wo kocha roadway. The one and I said yes or catch and say car we ni see release man kwa kwa so biem.
Enti e ba na e be ya no. Ni jai cause aba is it tell me catch or say ye to oman a GRA ekwan ya odwuma be fa so be koso enya na se ni de nyina ne se bosomi aso afia so na baje meta ba me se wo ye oman ya wo mpanifo a edwen sa oman ni dache because business na akwaje ni tax wow make sure say business meet me survive here na egu a GRA so ni mfa so ma Ghana for.
I have some real estate friends be last year din komo say I said I work ya no say how can you be running a business at a loss and still be paying taxes on that business? No, a dine no one war torn. It be my best 6 months. No, be I'm a tour dine, be I'm Emma for lease. It's what pass I say. But it was so 2 years or 2.
And the GRA boss, when you're 60 years, yeah, man, contract. So that's year.
For that's year, Juma. What can you say? The date of birth, you say. Some go for me more than you.
But the system, Nankasa. Is another be a make say Nana Akufo-Addo tia say the entire Ghana for to about the man na akwan yes schools here yes hospitals here but you see you are niema we ye mampanya upo wumpo
e wasa we ye
obeye but putting systems in place to make sure say systems no eye adwuma no and am din ya say that time about Hussein Obama eba Ghana no original professor John Evans Atames ni pen for the same eka say Ghana needs to make the system worse, not strong men. Now, say we are listening as if we don't know.
Yes,
systems need to now. You what GD one another down for them say under the Fourth Republic. Obi no wa on your semunim dienis you which na go fado. Over 40 years experience. Entity obi no was entity any. It's another wants to come to making sure that systems no year juma. Systems no year juma ebe provide sikano simple.
One village one day be
simple.
Say a man of what me a 24/7. Ade wo refie no.
So any idea na can was no. It's not about say obeye kwan obeye schools.
Kwan dey ye dia.
We dey obeye because oji tax na dey. Banti sheya de be go come to make sure say enema atete appensment ya mo man ntimi entum ponko na nim no
she say obukum
obe make sure say sa ne be ya adwuma
ye obukum say dey
na ye gidie ni ahotoso a ye nya no kwiti amafo ka cho say we di president Akufo-Addo ho ya wa it's not because onye developmental project
waye
bi
and dey say e wasa wo ye maye
we see agenda 111 ekoso akwa hodo ekoso schools ahodo ekoso ba me catch us say Ghana fo eto abadodo de ma president Akufo-Addo
say be your massive na mu be ye mmere
enya kwan your systems now break it down obi aye no pe
nti e Ghana
e catch on say emrani ni obi this as what is in say now do down Akufo-Addo make sure say obi put things right no ahwe ni pen ma catch say me nua ba bia keka koi me na me power but enye
kwasi koma de ye ya ama ye da ye dem ya na yeto ye prepaid ba sekane ya ne ko off eno ase menya off sekane ya ne ko off ne so a na obi atiem ye like tabo ye ho akire ya to the extent say kane ya ye dem anyina mahoden no se dumu a eni se dum in the first place because me use prepaid pay as you go esan ya na matoma de it system ben ye be put in place ye be make sure say obi ntumi en accumulate any aban ka any ECG ka any VR ka ame yenkoka se VR niska anase ECG niska it is ye nyina ye use prepaid na auto na 2 days esa na wan to na beda so mu ene ye ne sa but ye was ye ya famu de ye ya famu de ba ko obi nso hwe there are some communities won't be kura enkoje light bill there are some communities e wo Ghana ha untibi nkwa kan chense wo kwa 2 postpaid free ne da ho down the prepaid aboho ye ni na ayifo ekon ho ya say ye adwumo sa baby akoso bodam yi we
Crumble food.
Yes Esu system na ye ka ho asem no. Ye ya na ye mpese be ye adwuma kwasi. Ye ya na ye mpese system ne be ye adwuma. Ye pese enema koyie nti. Ye nhwehwe se ye sesa ye ma ye nyina ye ho prepaid. Sabe ye pay as you go. Kwabrani feel say I should enjoy the benefit of me to make you to postpaid no 1 year. Abra mi nko tua ye. Eti me mpene ma ye nsesa.
Adwa me say Ghana ni kura na ye illegal connection ha adwen so tere be ha adwen me say Ghana ni edi broni anim. Na broni abebie adwuma me na o send say wo de wire so.
Efa ha de fa ha no mo a emfa bi tani.
Ready. Ghana ni.
Juma bebre wo ye se hyehyɛ asase ase no.
Ghana ni.
Nyuma bebre wo ye se gufom.
Boss wa ba de ye nkane ne board yo ntino se wo de wire ba ko sha. Na de ba ko.
Na de fa ha no mo no isi fo be ready kro mu hu say wire illegal. Because that's the system.
Ye nyina yeso ye ka ho bi na.
Kwasi ba because all chirani owi be man 100 Ghana.
Ye nyina ka no ya ba bedri. Ba musan say so wonya kwa to kwa da broni be krom na be kwa broni be so nsa say bra na be se me man. Because no tiase say America is all that he knows.
Yeah.
America tumpon wa tumpon.
Yes, ya chira brofo no say bi adwini mo ha so.
Kom ni sikani brenti.
Enra na me ne camera for you di mo be say. In Ghana and in Africa, nobody cares how you make your money. In Ghana especially. Unto be kan kire wo fiewura say renter so oh fiewura me nim pna o. Me tu e me nya hook up. He me ni sugar daddy bia anti fiewura de me serew. Ma me ntinam na me sika nso me obetu. Enti abra mansa no a na dwuma wo ya ye hook up eduru fiewura no afa ne bag ase ne kɔ ho. Okɔ weekend ne ba o no kura $1,000 no. Onu to me high dan o baby a prema for high dan. Ye buo no ye mo no position wa sori dem. Na me na me nim hook up na ni so no. Me de sebi magibi kura. So nobody cares how you make your money. The most important thing is that you tell the society that you are rich. People will even respect you. And I say, they won't even respect you. They have to know what you bring to the table. They need to know what you do for a living. I always tell people, learn to respect people without knowing what they do for a living. So when you let it, and I don't make us a meme kwa na makwada ho no ma me se me ntimi pejama na ye me hye me catheter for 2 hours na midwife bia ma ho. The one of the doctors entered and who me ma me no auntie anoche wa na ha de o ye de no so anoche wa bed wo ana obegina me bed nti ofuro na okọ midwife no ho kwasi within be 30 seconds na midwife 9 egina me bed ho because okogina ho no waka che mo se mo mfa mo phone mo google anoche wa aba to mo google na yi Adom TV sa anoche wa aba Adom fe anoche wa na e no na da ho no ene ha de wasese o after all of a sudden na me bed ho ayema
tuni mo bia
sebi menya anoche wa aba de anka me ye kwasi ampanyi kura me na ho na me mu me ma me se maka cho so ko ba bia bowdin eya bowdin nam se din me monye de
ubewu Ghana no
na makoda ho ametua bo mu wi o sa ma me bill over 120 million ko mu kumi ni nyɛ che be se gira me na so tua 12,000 Ghana cedis awo ba akwa me kwo
Ghana no
na makoda ho no for 4 days catheter Johnson de me nine I can't feel my legs mo me se me catheter I needed to beg them for 2 hours but mo gogo no mo hu se me ya no che wa ba ne de we did bear 1 minute na nipa 9 na me mpa ho mommy be did e na so be ko theater on me request for theater kro bi anfi me mo mpa ballistic mra munyi na ya se nwi yan prepare no doctor you ready for the ko theater meanwhile na madam for 3 days waiting for that same thing to be done. And these are happening in hospitals.
Ghana no.
These are happening in hospitals. People are also munya akoma e save nipa. Posterity will judge us.
There be a time cry 37 military hospital.
Omukura nko muni mra do before complain. Posterity will judge us. We are fooling too much. Nairobi fire, death feared after a huge gas blast in Kenya capital. Hostages freed after being held for 9 hours at P&G plant in Turkey. Drinking sport operator in court for allegedly poisoning narcotics. Possessing narcotic drinking sport operator.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
I said no. I'm a baby. No.
Didn't go for Bahan or Toy no low key.
And
son, Lacano. Son winner to serve 2 years for stealing 37 cattle. Well, Sports Minister edges 37. We are Boma. I say, oh, you know, Marco. And then Chio. Grofenia bro. Sports Minister edges athletes to train hard and deliver. Yanko.
Minimum office be am konya correct me.
tam konwa si ne ko ho no ade ko
akonya
enye pen drive CCTV camera
oh ajonya pen drive dey so reach but akonya
enye remote nso
enye remote
akonya ye tam so yi CCTV bi ko
ayira akonya na yira
ye hu di wo fa
oh
there be Amazon toys nkonwa bi anasa akonya nipa tena so
pa nipa da se ni tena so bi etimi agire free company no office ebe pim ne
omunhu akonya no
akonya na yira
and omu ni cameras
Ghanaian Times danger looms US dam site under siege Parliament Environment Committee raises alarm over encroachment calls for eviction of residential facilities. Support Africa to deal with poverty deprivation President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo is saying. Major General Opon Pepra assumes office as CDS as Ghana Armed Forces put out Vice Admiral Amwama. ECG cautions customers against fraudsters using unapproved Momo numbers. Ghanaian Times. The Daily Searchlight. NPP constitute regional reconciliation committees. Comes to the picture of Justin Frimpong Kodua, General Secretary of the Elephant Party. Mr. Lawless, Mahama stands by Okada. No government can collapse Okada business. Ex-President John Dramani Mahama. Road crashes slaughter young men. National Road Safety Authority. The Daily Satellite. I don't know. Daily Guide. Cocaine dealers jailed 60 years. Your strike is needless. NLC tells education unions. Comes to the pictures of Osu Asamoah. Drama at Antwa Shrine. Wontumi versus Kokoso Chief. Maintain Electoral Inc. Majority Leader. SML enveloped in disinformation. Daily Guide. And so that anyway, a buy. Daily Graphic. Ensure violence-free election. Reverend Dr. Opuni Frimpong to political parties. Government to open up dollar power for commercial mining. Move to end dispute. Protect boundary lines. Criminal justice reforms before cabinet. Attorney General. And so anyway, Daily Graphic. I don't know. Republic Press. Mahama rejects EC's reforms. Predicts chaos if implemented. Afenyoma Kenka sold for 100-bed capacity district hospital. Hands over other projects. Ofanko in Sawam Road to be completed in 2025. Road Ministry. Okada Riders Association fumes over government's implementation of emission tax. SML deal not bad. Expert blames misinformation for ongoing controversy. We are ready to contain infectious disease through development of livestock sector, livestock sector, agric minister, and so the Republic Press. The area, the new finder here. Local processors to buy cocoa directly from cocoa marketing company Cocoa Board. Ayoko Trade to deliver 5th anniversary lecture for Council on Foreign Relations. Supreme Court petition over Kalio chieftaincy dispute. ECOWAS, World Bank invests $150 million into agric under FSRP to address challenges hindering food production in Ghana. The new finder. I don't know. The Obankwata no, naposo na online portal no, eso nsem eno no yada ye ho abaika say agwakansie wo ho na ho sepe wo ho na asem no ebedika na afi matena sesem komotwetwe bi wo ho a na mayi afri ho do mama na afi pensem mu atwa so bedwam so ni enko babia.